Hi everyone, and welcome to Motivational Monday. Today I am really excited to be redoing our master closet, finally. This is a space that presents irritation at times, especially because of the wire shelving in here. I feel that I have worked with what I've had, but change is always good, and we're going to be using the linen cabinet that we've had in our bedroom, and I'm going to be doing some different things with that, but I'm just excited to start this project tonight. I don't think that he's going to be putting in a new shelf, but he will be taking out the old wire shelves and putting in our unit, this one right here that we got from IKEA. And I've been going through all of my clothes. That is another thing too. I've really been decluttering my clothing and being very, very selective, and a lot of it has to do with the 10-item wardrobe. However, mine is not going to be 10 items, but I am inspired by that, and just having fewer selections I think would be good, and at least breaking things down into different seasons would be amazing, because I'm really big on colors and colors in different seasons. So I plan on redoing my whole way of storing all of my off-season clothing. So I'm really excited to start this project, and I'm so happy that Jorge is willing to do this for me this evening, and so I just thought it would be fun to share on here. This is what we have going on right now. I have just been kind of redoing everything. I've decided to get rid of so many things that just don't bring me joy anymore. Now, I can see that he can even just remove this shelf right now and get the unit in here. This is going to be good. I'm excited right now, so I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Alright, now comes the fun part, which is to put everything in and decorate it and get it just how I want it. And welcome to day 2 of this little project, a little renovation that we're doing in the master closet. I thought that I would give you a little look around as to what we've done so far, and then Jorge is going to be going to Home Depot right now because he's going to get the shelf, the 2 shelves, and a place to be able to hang like the things that we need to hang all of the stuff, the rods, all of that. So I also would like some corner shelves in here so that I have a place to put purses and maybe shoes or something along those lines. I don't know what yet, but I would like to have those shelves available to me. So that is something that he's looking into right now as well. And I wanted them to be big enough to house like these purses in the corner. So they're not going to be able to be the little dinky corner shelves. It'll have to be pretty significant. But here's what I wanted to do. Jorge is going to be putting in a rod up here that's pretty high. I'm thinking I'm going to have all of my dresses and longer things up top there. And then down low, he's going to have a shorter rod, and that is going to be where maybe my tops and some skirts. And I was thinking mainly skirts down here, but I really don't have that many skirts, so we will see about that as well. So now it's time to empty out this closet. On this Sunday afternoon. I'm still waiting for Jorge to get back from Home Depot, so I don't know how far he's going to get on this project before we have to go back to worship service, but I've cleared everything out, and I thought that I would also in this time share with you what I did with that table that I had in here before with my mirror above it, and I had all my jewelry on there, and then my shoes were on there. I feel that the table is serving a much better purpose now with what it is I decided to do with it. As you know, I took out all of my linens from here, and this is no longer going to be our linen cabinet here in our room. So I just wanted to share with you where I put the linens and what I ended up doing with that shelf. Okay, so right now we're looking under Jorge's side of the sink. This is where I'm keeping all of the towels as well as all of the stuff for the bath. So I have the Epsom salts there, and then my bath bomb. 1 bomb left because I've been using up all of them. So it's time to get some new ones. And then that's really all that I'm going to keep in here. I think that it looks nice and tidy, and he doesn't need to have anything under there. I've moved out everything that was under here. I had all of the like the medicines and different stuff like that. I had overflow, and so I'm going to show you where I decided to put all of that. So here is just a really quick look at what it is we ended up doing. We put the mirror back where it originally was. We felt that that really just opened the space up. I've missed having that here, and it's in the perfect spot, and I like not having the clutter there. So right off of the master bedroom, there's Aria's room right here. And then this is where I decided to put this shelf. This shelf is going to act as almost like a command center for all of our overflow, things that we use in the bathrooms, but I didn't want to break up into all of the different bathrooms. We have 3 bathrooms here. All of them are being used for showers and just everything like that. So they have similar shampoos and conditioners and all of that. I didn't want to crowd up underneath my sink with certain items. And so I just thought that having a specific spot where I can put any overflow, I can look in there quickly to see what I'm running out of, this is the perfect spot. I fold all of the clothes out here, and so being able to see how many towels I have is just a really great reminder for me. I love this little setup that I did here just because I kind of was not liking where I had the clock before. So I just wanted something pretty, but also very useful. So what I decided to put here were all of the cotton swabs, all of the cotton balls, all of the ear swabs, and then this is a spray that my sister-in-law got me for New Year's, and it's just a lavender spray, and this is perfect on the beds, on the bed sheets. And so I just like having a place to put all of this. And then the towels for the kids, I like being able to see how many I have, and you know, when we're getting low on them, etc. And then in here, this is all of my overflow of things for the bathroom, such as the ear swabs, the cotton balls, whitening treatments, stuff that we're not using right now, but that we can come here to get if we need it, and if we feel that we're out of something. Tooth floss, extra toothbrushes, extra toothbrush heads for the Sonicares, all of that is in here.
Mommy!
Yes?
Can I watch something on the TV?
No.
But the girls are playing outside.
Good. Go and play outside.
No.
In this one, this has all of the overflow of all of the different items that we use. And so, obviously, all of this inside of the, you know, like right under the sink, it just, to me, it looks really chaotic. So to have a space to put all of it, I love how tall these bins are, which I think I got them from Target a couple years ago. And it just makes it nice and functional, but still nice to look at as well. And then I don't have to worry about having a spot for all of that stuff underneath everybody's sink. So see, when I do one organizing project, it usually leads me to another one. I'm really happy to have had this. Before, I was really nervous to put anything right here because I felt that it would be too crowded, but walking over here is not crowded at all. I'm not in, you know, feeling like I'm gonna hit either this side or this side. It just works out really well.